Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
International finance can be tricky, but we will find which account tracks net exports and unilateral transfers together in just a few quick steps. The current account records a nation's total transactions with the rest of the world, focusing specifically on the flow of goods, services, and primary income across all international borders today. Specifically, it includes the balance of trade, which covers net exports alongside net primary income and net unilateral transfers like foreign aid or personal gifts sent to people living abroad. Therefore, both net exports and unilateral transfers are key components of the current account, making option E our correct choice for this macroeconomics question. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given information and check steps carefully.